Hello, all. Welcome to chapter 22 from the book of Genesis. In this chapter, we see that God is testing Abraham by asking him to sacrifice his son Isaac on Mount Moriah. We then see Abraham, Isaac, and two young servants of Abraham set out on a journey towards Mount Moriah. All of them reach on the third day, and Abraham says to the young servants, "We will worship and then we will come back to you." I have highlighted this statement because this statement is a statement of faith shown by Abraham towards the living God. He is sure that God will not let him sacrifice his son Isaac, and even if he did, he has so much faith on God that God is all capable, almighty to bring back Isaac to life. Abraham then binds Isaac for sacrifice. God, however, calls out from heaven and stops Abraham from going ahead with the sacrifice. Abraham finds a lamb nearby and sacrifices it instead of Isaac. Abraham then goes on to name this place Yahweh Yireh, which means the Lord will provide. God blesses Abraham because of his obedience, and he says unto him that his descendants will be like the stars in the heaven and like the sand on the seashore. And through his offspring, all nations on earth will be blessed. I have again highlighted this statement because this again points to the coming of the Messiah. It is pointing towards Lord Jesus. We then see Abraham returns back home, and sometime later, Abraham gets news that his brother Nahor and Nahor's wife Milcah have 8 children over the years. The chapter then goes on to list the names of the children of Nahor and Milcah. The reason why this chapter goes on to list the names of the children is because it is providing a family history of Rebecca, the would-be wife of Isaac. This is how the chapter ends. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Until next time, may God be with us all. Bye-bye.